Hello students, welcome back to Preparation Easy. I am your maths mentor Shailesh Bhange. We had started our new series, that is CMO previous year question papers, in which we had completed questions from 1 to 25 of class 5th. In this part we will be going to cover question number 26 to question number 50. Okay, so let's start. In previous video this question was completed. So the next question number 26 is, Duke would like to write the number 73. The number is 73, 980 and 129. Okay, which in words, which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? So let's try to break it down. So the number is 73, 980 and 129. Here we have to write in international number system, which looks like this: ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, or okay, which starts from ones, tens, then hundreds, then lakhs is missing, no lakhs is there. Instead of lakhs we write 100,000, therefore 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then after 100,000 it goes to millions, that is 10 lakh, then 10 million, and then 100 million. Okay, so here 9 is ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, then 10,000, then 100,000, million, and then 10 million. So the number will become 73 million 980,129. So we have to find the option. It starts with 73 million. This is 7 million, no. 700, no. 7 million, yes. 7 million. 73 million. So 7 million is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, so our number is 73,980,000 and 129 and 129. Okay, so number is 73,980,129. Okay, option is D. Okay, this is the international series number system, and in Indian number system we go from ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh and crore. But in international series we start from ones, tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, perfect. Let's move to next question. Next question is, choose the correct option. The LCM of 5, 8, 12 and 20 will not be a multiple of. For 5 we can write, 5 can be written as 5 into 1. Yes. For 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then 12 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3. Okay. And 20 can be written as 2 into 2, 4 into 5. Okay, yes, these are the numbers. Okay, what is LCM? LCM is finding the common numbers. First we will find the common numbers. What are the common numbers here? 2 is common. Okay, nothing is common then. So the LCM will become 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the remaining 2, then multiplied by remaining 3, then multiplied by remaining 5, and yes, obviously this one and this one. So 2 will be twice. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so answer will be 5 2s are 10, 10 into 2 20, 20 into 2 40, 40 into 3 120. Okay, this 5 will not come because this 5 will not come because this and this 5 will make a pair. They both make a pair. Okay, so the answer is 120. Now we will check, is 120 divisible by 3? Yes. Why? Because 2 plus 1 is 3, so it is divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 8? Yes. 8 ones are 8, 4 carry 40, 8 fives are 40. Yes, it is divisible by 8 also. And 5, yes, it is also divisible by 5. Okay, now 9, is it divisible by 9? What is the divisibility test for 9? The addition of all the numbers should be divisible by 9. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Is 3 divisible by 9? No, 3 is not divisible by 9. So the answer is B, option B, that is 9. Okay, moving towards next question, that is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number formed by 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7. What will be the greatest number? Greatest number of 2, 3, 5 and 7? It should be 7, 5, 3 and 2. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. 7, 5, 3 and 2 will be the greatest number formed from 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then what will be the smallest number? It is like this: 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then the difference, what is the difference? 2 minus 7 not possible, so this will become 2 and this will become 12. So 12 minus 7 will become 5. Yes. Then 4, 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 4 minus 3, 1 and 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. So what we get? 5, 1, 7, 5. Okay. So it is x, y, z, x. X, y, z and x. X, y, z and x. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? It is 5. It is 5. Okay, the value of x is 5 because this is the value of x, y, z and again x. So x is 5, y is 1, z is 7 and again x is 5. Okay, let's move towards next question. Next question is, which of the following is true? Okay, so diameter. What is diameter then? What is diameter? This is a circle. Okay, what is diameter? Diameter is the line passing through the center of the circle. This will be the diameter. Okay, diameter passes through the center of circle. Is it correct? Yes, diameter passes through the center of circle. Okay, the longest chord is diameter. Longest chord is diameter. Yes, because the longest side, the longest half of any circle is diameter. Okay, longest chord of any circle is diameter. Then the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. Diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. Yes, what is the radius? Radius is any line drawn from the center towards its boundary. Then this is radius, this is the radius and its both lines starts from center. So this radius and this radius both become diameter. So the diameter is twice of radius. Okay, correct. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be all of this. Yes. Moving towards next question. Question number 30. Which place of the digit should be divisible by 4 so that the number is divisible by 4? The divisibility test for 4 is that last two digits of any number, if it is divisible by 4, then the number should be divisible by 4. For example, let's see, if I take the number 216 is 16, the last two digits are 16. Is 16 divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. So 216 is also divisible by 4. Let's check it out. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, minus 0 1 6, 4 4s are 16. Yes, is there any remainder? Is there any remainder? Is there any remainder? No. So 216 is divisible by 4. So what is the divisibility test for 4? The last two digits should be divisible by 4. So let's check it out. The answers. Number formed by the last two digits. Number formed by the last two digit. Here the number formed is 16 and 16 is divisible by 4. 4 4 is 16. Okay. Let's check out next question. Which of the following alphabets have the same mirror image? What is mirror image? If B is here and if I place the mirror here, if I place a mirror here, how the B will look like? B will look like this. Yes, B will look like this. So if I put here is J, what is the mirror image? This will be the mirror image for G. For G, it will look like, yes, it will look like this. Okay, and H, for H, if I put here mirror, H will look like same. So which of the following alphabets have the same mirror image? H has same mirror image. Okay, you can try this at your home by taking a small mirror, write B and put the mirror and check if the mirror image is same or not. Same for G, J and H. Okay. Next question, question number 32. The product of two numbers is 1280. The product of, okay, the product of two numbers is 1280 and LCM is, HCF is given. HCF is given what? HCF is 8. We have to find LCM. The formula to find this is LCM multiplied by HCF is always equals to the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers. So the formula will become LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to the product of two numbers, that is 1280. So HCF we know. I rough down. Okay. So LCM we have to find. Okay. LCM, HCF is in multiplication. It will go for division. Okay. 1280 divided by HCF, which is 8. So I directly divide it by 8. 8 ones are 8, 48. 8 6 are 48, 0. So answer will be 160. So the LCM of two numbers whose product is 1280 and HCF is 8 will be 160. Formula is product of any two numbers is equal to the product of LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for lowest common multiplier. Okay. Question number 33. Alice went to the store to get a ribbon to decorate her tank top. Okay. Then she bought a ribbon with a length of y centimeter. She bought a ribbon with a length of y centimeter. Okay. Then Alice divided it into 4 equal parts. Alice had divided the string into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then use those to fashion her 4 tank tops. Write the phrase to determine how much ribbon she is utilized for each tank top. So we the total ribbon is y centimeter. The total ribbon is y centimeter. Okay. Total ribbon is y centimeter. And how many tank tops are made from the y centimeter ribbon? We have made 4 tank tops. 4 tank tops are made from y centimeter strings. So the phrase will be y divided by 4. Let's check our options. Y minus 4, y divided by 4, y 4 plus y and 4 into y. So our correct option will be option B. Okay. Let's move to our next question. Question number 34. Max requested assistance from his older brother in identifying the equation that each entry in the table below describes. Here is a table where x values and y values are given. We have to find the equation. Before moving to equation, what is equation? Equation means this symbol is denoted for equals to sign. Equals to sign means the left hand side and right hand side is equal. For example, if I write here 4 and I write here 2 into 2, are they both equal? Yes, they both are equal. So this sign denotes that left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side means left LHS, that is left side of equals to, and RHS means right side of equals to, both are equal. Okay, so let's start our question. So we have to form here an equation. Okay, so first is 10 and 30. We have to equate it. So what can I do? I can multiply 10 with what number? So I will get 30. I can multiply 10 with 3. So 10 into 3 I get 30. Okay, next number is 9 and 27. Okay, so same here, 9 into 3 is 27, then 8 into 4 is equals to 24, then 8 into 3 8 into 3 is equal to 24, 7 into 3 is 21, and 6 into 3 is 18. So we got an equation that x, what is this? These are the values of x. Okay, so x multiplied by 3 means 3x equals to, what are the values? 30, 27, 24, 21, 18. These are values of y. So 3x equals to y, or y equals to 3x. So our option will be option C. Correct answer is option C, y equals to 3x. Next question, find the perimeter of the figure. Here we have to find the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the calculation of the addition of boundary of any figure. So here we have to add AB plus BC plus this one CD plus DE plus EF and at last FA. Okay, so AB is, what is AB? AB is 20 centimeter. Okay, BC is not given, so I can find this is total 6 centimeter, that means this is also 6 centimeter. 6 minus 3 is 3, so BC will be 3 plus CD is also not given, so total is 25. 25 minus 20, I get CD. 25 minus 20, so it will be 5, then 3, then 25. DE is 25. Okay. We got AB 20, BC 3, CD 5, DE 3, then FE or EF is 25, and at last AF is 6 centimeter. So what is the addition? 20 plus 3, 23, 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31 plus 25, 56, and 56 plus 2, 62. So the answer will be 62, option B. Okay, let's move towards next question. Question number 37. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? This will be the equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle has all the sides equal, all sides are equal. So if this is 20, other two sides will also be 20, and the perimeter will be 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 60 centimeter. Okay, next question. The perimeter of square is twice the perimeter of triangle. If triangle's perimeter is x, then square's perimeter will be 2x, that is twice of triangle's perimeter. So what is the triangle's perimeter? 11 plus 10 plus 9, 11 plus 9 20 plus 10 30. So perimeter of square will be 2 times, that is 2 into 30. It will be 60 inches. Okay, 60 inches. What is the length of side? We have to find the length of side. Length of the side of square. What is the formula for perimeter of square? That is 4 multiplied by side. Okay, which is equals to 60. So side will be equals to, each side will be equals to 60 divided by 4, that is 15 inches. Okay, next question. Question number 39. Margaret wishes to replace the carpet in a rectangular. Margaret has a rectangular floor. Okay. Her dining room is a rectangle of 5 meters and 7 meters. This is 5 and it is 7. So what will be the area? We have to find the area of rectangle, area of her room, dining room. Okay. So what is the formula of area of triangle? Formula for area of triangle is L into B, that is 7 into 35. 7 into 5, that is 35 meters square. Okay. Next question. This will be our last question of achievers section, practical mathematics section. So, a rectangular farm owned by Samuel measures 80 yards in length. There is another rectangular farm whose length is 80 and width is 60. So, what is formula? L into B. So, length is 80 and breadth is 60. Length is 80 and breadth is 60. So, 8 6 are 24 and 2 zeros as it is. Okay. 80, 60, 8 6 are 24 and these two zeros as it is. So, answer will be 2400. Find the area of the farm. The answer will be 4800 as 8 into 6 is 48. So, our answer will be 4800. So, this is our achievers section. Achievers section's questions are all 2 marks each. Okay. So, first question is 4 by 9 plus 11 2 by 7. So, here we have to multiply 11 with 7 and add 2, that is 77 plus 2, 79 upon 7 plus. Similarly, here also 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 39 divided by 4. Okay, and last one 6 plus 5, 11 by 6, but it is in subtraction. Okay, minus 11 by 6. So, first of all, the denominators are all different. So, we have to take a common denominator. We have to take common denominator 4 by 9 plus 79 by 7 plus 39 by 4 minus 11 by 6. So, we take LCM 9, 7, 4 and 6. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay. 4 as 2 into 2. 6 2 into 3 and 7 as it is. So, here is a pair. Another pair is of 3. Okay. So, 3, 2 and 7. 3 2 is 6. 6 7 is 6 into 7. That is 6 7 is 42. 42. Okay. 3 2 6 and 2 and 3. Okay. 42 into 2 into 3. So 42 2s are 84. 84 into 3. 12 1 252. 252 will be its denominator. Common denominator will be 252. Okay. So common denominator would be 252. 252. Okay. 252 divided by 9. 252 divided by 9. What it comes? 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. 19 20 72. 9 8s are. So 4 multiplied by 28 plus 79 by okay. Next we have to divide 7 and 252. 2 ones are 2 3s are 7 3s are 21. 4 42. 7 6s are 42. Okay. So 36. 36 multiplied by 79. Next is plus 4. Okay. Next number is 4. So 4 252, that is 2 ones are 2 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 24, 12 2 3s are. So 63 multiplied by 39 and at last minus 11 multiplied by, so 6 252, 6 1s are 6 4s are 24, 12, 6 2s are, so 42 multiplied by 11. So we have to calculate this all and we will get our answer. But I use one trick. I can use here a trick. Just see the denominators of the options. The first one is 250, second 233, third one is 311 and fourth one is 252 and our denominator is also 252. So the correct answer could be 252, that is option D. You can check by calculating. Okay, so the correct option will be option D. Why? Because our denominator is 252 and there is only one number whose denominator is 252. Others are less than or greater than 252. Okay, next question. So next question is convert 1382400 seconds into days. Okay, so before converting, first I have to convert. Okay, 1 day equals to 24 hours. Okay, then 1 hour has 60 minutes, 1 minute has 60 seconds. So what we have to do? We have to first write down the number, that is 1382400. Then first of all we have to convert it to minute. For that I multiplied by 60. Then minute to hour, that is again 60. Then hour to days, that is 24. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 cancel. Then okay, 24 24, 4 6 the 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 18, 4 4s are 16, 22 means 4 5s are 20 and 24, 4 6 are 24. So the number is 3456 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. I will write it here, 3 4 5 and 6 divided by 6 6 and 6. Okay, so 6 1s are 6 5s are 30, it gives 45. 6 6 are okay, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 36 again, 6 6 are 36. Then 6 1s are 6 6, 6 9s are 54, 36, 6 6 are, and 6 1s are 6. Okay, 36, 16. So the number of total days are 16 days. Okay, how I have calculated? First of all, I converted days into hours, then hours to minutes, and then minutes to seconds, and then divided it by the actual seconds. For to convert it, first we have to convert it to minutes, then minutes to hours, and then hours to days. Okay, so our option is 16 days. Okay, next question. What is the greatest number that will divide 476 and 303, leaving remainders 4 and 8 respectively? So we have to find here LCM of 476 and 303, but the reminders are 4 and 8 respectively. That means 476 minus 4, that is 472, and 303 minus 8, that is 295. Okay, so we have to find LCM for these two numbers. So let's find out. Okay, first number is 476. Prime factors of 476 are 2, okay, 7 3 16 8, then again 2 1 1 18 9. Okay, then next it can be divisible by, is it divisible by 13? Is it divisible by 13? No, not 13. Then 17, is it divisible by 17? Let's calculate. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 551, 17, okay, wait, 17 4s are 68, then 85, then 102, and then 117. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 17, 6 then 2 3s 3 1s. Okay, so the prime factors for we have to calculate for 472 and not 476. Sorry, let's again calculate. 472, 2 2s 2 3s 12 6s 2 1s 2 1s 16 8s, then again 2 2 5s 18 9s. Okay, 2 5s 10, 18 9s. Then next, is it divisible by 13? 13 5s 65, not divisible. 17, 17 1s 17, 17 2s 34, 17 3s 51, again not possible. Then 19, no, not with 19 also. So okay, 59 is okay. Then 59 is the prime number. Okay, 59 is prime number. Then 295, 5 5 5s 25, 45, 45, then 5 9s. So what is the greatest number? Greatest number is 59. Greatest number is 59, which is common in both the prime factors. Which is common in both prime factors. So our answer would be 59. Okay. Next question. Question number 45. Look at the image given below and answer the following question. If the total number of vehicles is, what is the total number? 3, 6, 2, 1, 9, 8 and 3. Okay. So then find the difference between number of two-wheelers. Number of two-wheelers are 64. How? Yellow color is two-wheelers, that is 64.70, 64.70%. And buses is how much? Buses is 15%. Buses are 15%. Okay, buses are 15% and two-wheelers are 64.70%. So I directly subtract it. 0 7. Okay, 4 minus 5 not possible, so 5, 14, 14 minus 5 will be 14 minus 5 9, and this will be 4, 49.70. 49.70. What is the round off of 49.70? It is 50%. Yes, it could be 50%. So 50% two-wheelers are more. That is, we can now directly calculate 3, 6, 2, 1, 983 multiplied by 50 divided by 100. Okay, so 51s are 52s. So directly if I divide 3621 983 by 2, I will get my answer. So 2 1s are 2, 16 8s are 2 1s are again 0, 19 8s are 18, 9 9 and again 1. So round off will be 2. Okay, 1810994, 1810994, 3621983. Okay, so 1810994, and the round off would be option B, 1800126. 1800126 could be our answer, because we have to round off to nearest whole number. Okay, next question. Next question is, which of the following is the greatest measure that can be used to measure the quantities? Simple. 68. Prime factors of 68 are 2, 3 and 4, 34, 2, 17, 17, 1. Okay, next is 102. Next is 102, 2, 5, 1, then again 17. Okay, 3, 17, 17, 1 and then 119. Okay, 119. So 7, 17, 17, 1. So we have to find the HCF. We have to find the HCF. So what is common? 2, 2, 17 for 68. Next is 102, 2, 3, 17 and last one is 119. 119 can be written as 7 multiplied by 17. So what is common? What is common? Common is 17. So our answer would be 17. So which of the following is greatest measure? 17 would be the greatest measure. Okay. Next question. 48. Jessica has a variety of geometrical tools in her box. Okay. Jessica has variety of tools in her geometry box like protractor, rounder, scale or ruler, and she uses them to construct a triangle. When she measured her triangle, she discovered that none of the sides or angles were equal. No sides, okay, no sides were equal, no angles were equal. That gives it is an scalene triangle. It is an scalene triangle. Okay. So first is isosceles. In isosceles triangle, two sides, two angles are equal. Okay. In equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle has all sides, all angles are equal. In scalene triangle, no side not angle are equal, not a single side is equal. Okay. And acute angle triangle can be scalene or can be isosceles. Okay. So next question. Harry wants to repaint the wall in his office space. He sought the assistance of designer for this. Find the price of paint a wall that is 30 meters long. What is the length of wall? Length of wall, suppose this is a wall, okay, and Harry wants to paint it. Okay. So what is the length? 30 meters and height, width 10 meters. 10 and cost is $10 per meter square. $10 per meter square. $10 per meter square. So we have to calculate the area, then we will calculate the cost. Okay. So 30 into 10, that is length into breadth. Length into breadth is 30 into 10, that is 30 multiplied by 10. 3 ones are 3, as it is 2 zeros. Okay. So 300 and 300 multiplied by 10. Why 300 multiplied by 10? Because the cost of 1 square meter is $10. So for cost of 300 square meter will be 10 into 300, that is 3000. Okay, that is 3000. So our correct answer will be 3000. Yes, this is our last question of today's video. That is, a rectangular screen height is determined to be 20 centimeter. Height is 20 centimeter. Its surface is measured at 240 centimeters square. Area is 240 centimeters square. Determine the given screen width. What is the formula for area? Area equals to length into breadth. Area is given, that is 240. Length is 20. Breadth we have to calculate. So breadth will be equals to 240 divided by 20. Why 20 divided? Because 20 is in multiplication. On the LHS it will be divided. Okay, so 0 0 cancel, 2 ones are 12s are. So the answer will be 12 centimeter. Okay, so this is the end of our video and We will continue our next class of class 6th PYQ question papers in next video. Till then, keep learning.